VirtualBox. These are the two virtual machines that will be used to configure the Ipsec tunnel. Okay, settings, network, change this to generic driver to use on GNS3. Okay, make sure the cable is connected. Okay, adapter 1 in my case is the 1 interface, and adapter 2 is the LAN interface. Also should be configured with generic driver, cable connected. Okay, and settings for the second virtual machine. Okay, GNS3. Create a new project. Okay, go to End Devices. Okay, these are the two virtual machines. I will change the icon for this pfsense firewall router. Right click, configure template. Okay, only change the symbol. Okay, these are the network settings, two adapters, and enable to allow GNS3 to use any configured VirtualBox adapter. Okay. Okay, also the second virtual machine. Okay, two adapters allow GNS3 to use VirtualBox adapters. Okay, and now drag the pfsense devices. Okay, but I will add a router to simulate internet. And add to desktop virtual machines. Okay, on VirtualBox, make sure that these desktop virtual machines are configured with generic driver and network options. Okay, generic driver, cable connected. Okay, only one adapter, and okay, the another desktop virtual machine. Generic driver, cable connected, only one adapter. Okay, that is enough. Okay, make the cable connections. The first interface is the one interface, in my case, for pfsense, and the second interface is the LAN interface. Okay, one interface, LAN interface. Okay, the WAN connections. The LAN networks. Okay, these are the IP addresses. Okay, the addressing. Okay, the yellow square is the LAN number 1, and the light blue square is LAN number 2. I will implement the Ipsec tunnel between the two LANs, between the two local area networks. Okay, the Ipsec tunnel start all devices. Okay, ready? First of all, configure the internet router with the IP addresses. This is gigabit 00. Configure terminal interface gigabit 00. Okay, use this IP address. Subnet mask 30 to 52. no shutdown. Okay, the second interface, gigabit 10, 10, and the IP address 229, subnet mask 252. This IP, enter, no shutdown. Okay, this is enough for the internet router. No more configurations will be implemented here. Okay. Okay, enter to this pfsense, the number 4. You can make a ping test from this interface to the router. Okay. Okay, option 7, ping, enter the IP address on the internet router. Okay, the ping is successful. Okay, this ping is successful because my one interface is already configured with the correct interface. You can configure this interface using the option 2 and set the interface IP address. Also, for the LAN interface, the IP address is already configured according this addressing. So the interfaces on this pfsense device are already configured. Okay. And review the pfsense 5. Look at the one interface IP address already configured with the correct interface 230. Okay, this. Okay, according this addressing, and obviously the LAN interface also already configured according this addressing. Okay, and you can test the ping to the internet router. Option 7, the destination IP address 229, and is very good. Okay, enter. Okay, and okay, enter to this PC. Okay, the DHCP server is already configured on the LAN interface on pfsense. So configure the DHCP client on this PC. Okay, DHCP client. Okay, yes. Okay, success. 52. Okay, enter to the another virtual machine. Okay, yes. Okay, DHCP client. Okay, success. 11. Okay. Okay, and try to make ping from this PC to the remote PC. Okay. Okay, the destination host is unreachable. After the Ipsec tunnel configuration, the ping will work. Okay, but for now, it's necessary to configure the Ipsec. Okay. From this virtual machine, access to the web configurator for this pfsense device. Okay, before that, you can test the connectivity with the LAN interface on pfsense. Okay, success. And access to the web configurator. Okay, the first time will take a while, but will work. Okay, the credentials. Okay. Now configure the Ipsec tunnel. Okay, go to VPN, Ipsec, advanced settings. Okay, enable the MSS clamping on VPN traffic. Okay, save. Okay, success. Okay, now go to the firewall on rules. On the WAN interface, I mean this interface. Okay, and WAN interface. Okay, on one interface, look at this. No rules are currently defined for this interface. All incoming connections on this interface will be blocked. Okay, so you need to add a rule to pass the VPN, the IPsec. The protocol for IPsec is ISA KMP. Okay, so add the rule on the one interface. Okay, on this interface. Okay, and pass on one IPv4 address ISA KMP uses UDP protocol. In this case, the source will be this IP address, the one interface on the another side. Okay, this is the source. The destination will be this. Okay. Single host or alias, and enter this IP address as the source. Okay. And the destination will be this IP address, my one IP address. Okay, destination. You can enter a single host and use the IP address. Okay, this IP. Or simply use the one address, not the one net. The one address is the alias for this IP, the same, not problem. But the port is 500 ISA KMP. Okay, this is the port for IPsec. Okay. You can add a description. Okay, save. Okay, very well. Apply changes. Okay, the rules on the LAN interface are the rules by default, the factory default rules. Okay. Now go to VPN Ipsec. Okay. And tunnels at phase 1 tunnel. Okay, use version 2 for key exchange. Okay, IPv4 protocol on the one interface, and add the remote gateway. Okay, the remote gateway, this IP address. Okay, description. Okay. Okay, the authentication method, the pre-shared key. Okay, obviously the key must match the settings chosen on the remote side. Okay, my identifier, my IP address in the pure identifier, the pure IP address, not problem with that, not problem with those configurations. And you can generate pre-shared key, but I will create one. Okay. Okay, for fake one encryption algorithm, AES, or any of this. Okay, I will use AES 256 bits, SHA 256, and the Diffie-Hellman group 14, that means 2048 bits. And lifetime, okay, 28,800 seconds or 8 hours. Okay, save, apply changes. Okay, ready. Okay, now click here to show fade to entries. Okay, now entries, you can add fade to entry. Okay, the mode is tunnel on IPv4. The local network is the LAMS subnet. Okay, this is the alias for this subnet, the local subnet. And you can enter this IP, okay, or use the alias. Okay, the same result if you use a network address. .24. Okay, the same result of using the LAN subnet. And the remote network, you need to enter the destination network, and will be this subnet. Okay, 24. Okay, because you want to connect this subnet with this. Okay, the source and the destination. Okay. Okay, the protocol ESP, okay, for encryption. Okay, in this case I will use AES 256. SHA 256, the group 14, 2048 bits, and the lifetime in this case is only 1 hour, 3600 seconds. Okay, that is enough. Apply changes. Okay, now is completed. Okay, and now go to firewall on rules, and a new interface called Ipsec is created. Okay, click here, and no rules are currently defined for this interface. All incoming connections on this interface will be blocked. Okay, so you need to add the rule. Okay, add. Okay, and you will pass on the Ipsec interface IPv4 any protocol from any source to any destination to pass any type of traffic on the Ipsec interface. Okay, save. Okay, ready. Apply changes. Okay, finally configure the another site. Okay. Okay, ping to the default gateway. Success. Okay, access the web configurator. Okay. Firewall rules on one interface at the permit to pass the Ipsec protocol UDP. The source is a single host. In this case, the source is this IP. Okay. And the destination is my WAN address or a single host alias. This is the source, my WAN address. Okay, and port 500 ISA KMP. Okay, save. Apply changes. Okay, ready. Okay, go to VPN Ipsec. Add a tunnel on phase 1. Version 2. IPv4 on one interface. The remote gateway in this case is this IP address again. Okay. Okay. Pre-shared key. And remember the pre-shared key. Okay, this key must match on both peers. Okay, Fate1 algorithm AES use the same algorithm with, like the another site 256, SHA 256, and Diffie-Hellman group 14 to 48, 2048 bits. Okay, the lifetime 8 hours, and save. Apply changes. Show fade to entries and add the mode is a tunnel like before. The local network is the LAN subnet. This is the local now. Okay, so you can use the alias or use the network 2024. But the remote will be a network, this network 1024. Okay. Okay. The protocol ESP for encryption, and only use AES 256 like the another site, SHA 256, the group 14 to 1048 bits, and lifetime 1 hour. Type, apply changes. Okay, completed. On firewall rules, the new Ipsec interface is created, and add the any policy. Okay, pass interface Ipsec, any protocol, any traffic, source any, destination any. Apply changes. Okay, ready. Okay, go to status and verify the Ipsec. Okay, connect the VPN. Okay, green established. This means that the Ipsec tunnel is very well configured. Okay, look at the another site, status on Ipsec. Okay, established. Okay. And finally, try the ping from this PC to this PC now. Okay, remember before the Ipsec tunnel, the ping was not successful. Try again. Now you can connect both LANs because the ping is successful, and use tracer to verify the hops. Okay, the first hop is the default gateway, this device. Okay, the second hop is the another pfsense device, the remote pfsense device. And finally, the third hop is the PC, this PC. Okay, and the virtual Ipsec tunnel is working very well because Tracer is not counting the internet router, so the traffic virtually will pass over the Ipsec tunnel and reach the destination. Thank you very much.